Shout out to 310 Nutrition for sending me their new hydrates, their 310 hydrates. When they approached me and asked me if I would like to try the products, I was super excited. And the reason for that is I like to work out, but sometimes I know that I don't hydrate myself enough when I do that. So I was excited when they sent me these 3 hydrates in different flavors. They sent me strawberry, peach mango, and also lemon lime. So this will be my first time trying it, and I am just very excited to see what they taste like. So all you have to do is you open your pack. It's very simple. You get your shaker, your 310 shaker, and then the final thing that you have to do is just pour. That's how you prepare it. And the last, I know I said the final thing, but the very last thing to complete the process is you just shake it. Now I'm hoping that these flavors are delicious, and I think that they are. I'm loving the way it looks so far as it's stirring around. It's not a lot of residue. So let's see. It tastes very good. It's refreshing. And one of the things I like about it is that it doesn't have any artificial sweeteners. It has vitamin C, it has vitamin B, and it also has electrolytes in it that'll replenish you as you're sweating when you're working out. So I want to say again, thank you to 310 Nutrition. And if you're interested in trying out their new product, the 310 Hydrates, then check out the link in my bio. And my code is EMPTYNESTEMPRESSHYDRATE. Thanks again. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do.